shapes. Oh, you want to know more about me? Come, enjoy the journey.
Hi Radhan, how are you? Hi, I'm good. Hey friends, have you done your maths assignment? I've done it. Hey Radhan, what happened? You're lost in your thoughts. Have you not done your maths assignment? No friends. I didn't sleep well last night. What's wrong? Friends, I had a weird dream last night. What was so weird about it? Tell us more. Everything in my dream was shaped alike. All things had just only one shape. Really? Yes, Garima. What shape? All things had just 4 sides and 4 corners. All things were shaped like a square, you mean? No, a rectangle. Because the opposite sides were equal. That means everything was a rectangle. Is that so? Yes. The sun was rectangular in shape. The houses, buildings, all were rectangular in shape. I can only imagine how funny that must have been. You know the trees I saw, the slides in the park, the flowers, the butterflies, all were rectangles. Looks like you traveled to the world of rectangles. Oh! What's wrong, Naira? What happened, Naira? Oh, again? Garima also? You all look like a rectangle to me. After hearing about your dream, I have also started seeing rectangles all around me. Is it, Naira? Yes.
La 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 la.
What snacks I got today with lunch? Looks like cookies. Yum. Even I have got some delicious things to eat. I have got bread pakoras. Look, Garima, your bread pakoras are shaped just like the biscuits I got. Oh, right. Yes, even the cake slice and Rehan sandwiches look alike. Don't you all think that all the things put out here have almost the same shape? Yes, you are right, Rehan. What an observation. All the things have a similar shape. And the shape is rectangle, isn't it? Yes. Are we having a rectangle party here? Sure. Sharing is caring. What is he doing? Hey Kavish, what are you doing with the marker on the box? Yes, what are you doing? I'm tracing the outline of my lunchbox. Wow, that's a rectangle. Does this mean that the box is made up of rectangle? Let me also try using the duster. After tracing the different outlines of the duster. Wow, so many rectangles on the board. Can all of these shapes really be called rectangles? Yes, we can, Rehan, because a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. As we can see, the shapes here have 4 sides and 4 corners. And the opposite sides of these shapes are equal in length to each other, so they can be called rectangles. But what about the shape drawn using my soup. Wait, I can see a square shape also on the board. What's the difference?
Hello children. Hope you all enjoyed your lunch.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, now go back to your seats. Alright. Well children, I can see that you're having fun with shapes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Pradhan had a weird dream about a world of rectangles. And now we are noticing rectangles everywhere.
Oh, lovely.
Ma'am, we realized that the food we all got today was rectangular in shape. And also our lunch boxes are rectangular.
Oh, I can see that you have used your lunch boxes to draw so many rectangles on the board. So shall we take it further from here and explore some more ways to draw and create rectangles?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, but before we begin, while I was entering the class, I could overhear your conversation. So let me address Ridhan's concern first. Now see, this shape here is not a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It has 5 sides. And how many sides does a rectangle have?
4.
Absolutely right. So this is why this shape is not a rectangle. And Kavish, your observation was also correct. What is this shape? This is a square. Yes, Garima, you wanted to ask something?
Yes, ma'am. I have a query that what's the difference between a rectangle and a square?
Oh, that's an interesting question. So just tell me, how many sides does a rectangle have?
4.
And what about a square?
4.
But the difference is that in a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. Just see, these are equal and these are equal. But in a square, all the 4 sides are equal. So is that clear to everyone now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now children, I have something very interesting for you today. And I'm sure that you all are going to love it. Alright? So let me show this to you. This is a geoboard. Have you seen this before?
No, ma'am.
Alright, so this is a very interesting tool where we can explore patterns, shapes and a lot of mathematical concepts. So here I have a rubber band and using this rubber band, I can create a rectangle. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
So would you like to try?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, this is for you. Try making one shape. Alright, you can also try. Now, Naira, your turn. Take this and try to create a rectangle. Alright. Just wait, just wait. You'll also get your turn. Oh, that's lovely. Can you see these two? Are these triangles?
Yes, ma'am.
Are these triangles?
No, ma'am.
These are rectangles. Alright. And can you observe the opposite sides are equal? Perfect. So pass it on now. Alright. Can I see what you're making? Oh, lovely. Pass it on, darling, now. Please give it to Harshika. Alright. Can I see yours? Oh, lovely, lovely. Just observe that the opposite sides should be equal.
Yes.
Oh, no, this is not a rectangle. Stretch it a little. Yes, that's lovely. Can you see this?
Yes.
Are these all rectangles?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so your turn now. So this is a...
I have a query. Can you create any other shape on this geoboard?
Oh, that's an interesting question. Right. Soham, I'm very happy that not just Soham, all of you are taking so much of interest in these shapes, right? So to answer your questions, yes, we can create other shapes also. So let me show you. If I stretch it like this, what shape is this?
Triangle.
So we can create other shapes also using a geoboard, but for now, we are going to concentrate just on
Rectangle.
absolutely right. So rectangle has 4 sides and it has
Equal.
all the sides are equal,
Opposite
just the opposite sides. So today's class was all about rectangles and we learned that there are so many different types of rectangles all around us. Alright, in the next class we'll explore more shapes. I hope that you all enjoyed.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you enjoyed the journey. You will also get to know more about my friends, triangle, circle and square in the second part of Fun with Shapes. So keep watching. Bye-bye.